What was that?
How's your whole day?
Matt, do you love me? Do you love me?
No.
Am I your best friend? Can I be one of them? Are you saying no for a reason? Why? Why? Is it because you're on Xbox?
What?
Is it because you're on Xbox?
Why would that be a reason?
Why are you saying no? Like, give me your honest answer. Matt, am I your best friend?
Are we best friends?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know you.
Would you ever hang out with me?
What?
Would you ever hang out with me?
I don't know.
Ouch! Do you love me?
I don't know.
Will you love me?
I don't know.
I love you.
I don't know.
Okay. This
You don't
questionnaire
even know me.
is over.